Hey there, friends! Today, we're diving into the world of video editing with Wondershare Filmora. You might be surprised to learn that it's actually much easier to use than iMovie and offers top features that iMovie lacks. One of the standout features in Filmora is the ability to overlay multiple audio tracks. This is particularly helpful when you have a video with no audio and want to add an overlay of your own commentary. But don't worry, Filmora also has royalty-free music options if you're not into adding your own voice. Another great feature is the option to blur certain areas for privacy purposes, such as when children are seen briefly in a shot or when your house is in the background. It's a simple and effective way to maintain privacy while still sharing your amazing videos with the world. The text feature in Filmora is excellent, with tons of customizable options for font size, color, and duration. Plus, it supports animated GIFs for those who want to add some extra flair to their videos. As far as I can tell, this feature isn't available in iMovie at all. Now, let's talk about ease of use. With iMovie, it can take some time for beginners to get used to how everything works. But Wondershare Filmora is incredibly user-friendly and easy to navigate compared to iMovie's interface. It makes editing a breeze, even if you're new to video editing. Plus, it supports Windows systems, so no matter what platform you're using, Filmora has got you covered. In conclusion, while iMovie is a great option for Mac users, Wondershare Filmora is a fantastic alternative for Windows users or anyone looking for a user-friendly video editing software with more features than iMovie offers. Give it a try and see for yourself. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this info helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this one. See you next time.